Hello friends, today I am going to show you the video about the termination of MIC cable or MICC cable. The MIC cable consists of copper conductor inside a copper sheath insulated by inorganic magnesium oxide powder. These are the various types of tools required for the termination. The most important tools is the rotary stripper and hand crimper. This is the termination kit of the MIC cable. It consists of compression gland, sealing port, sealing compound and sleeves for the copper conductor. Now we are going to remove the outer PVC insulation sheet of the MIC cable. This is the rotary stripper. Now we are going to remove the outer sheath, copper sheath of the MIC cable. The magnesium oxide powder will be removed automatically while doing the rotary stripping. We will stop the stripping process when the desired length is achieved. Now we will insert the shroud of the MIC cable and then the compression gland. Now we insert the sealing port. Now we put the sealing compound. Now using the hand crimper, we will press and compress the sealing compound. The excess sealing compound will be removed during the hand crimping. Now we will insert the sleeves for the inner copper conductor, red and black. This is the end of the termination of MIC cable. Since MIC cable use no organic material as insulation, they are more resistant to fires than plastic insulated cables. MIC cables are used in the critical fire protection applications such as alarm circuit, fire pumps and smoke control system.